Hi guys, I hope everybody is fine. Actually, in these days I am looking lot of students are not getting proper track. Which track they wants to work, but that track they are never getting. So how to get a proper track? How to get a proper way to walk on your road? It means if you are every day walking a same route, same way, then one day will come that day definitely will get your success. Student, it means that they have something knowledge, but problem is there that knowledge is not sufficient to achieve that success. So that we are carry every time with a so that we are every time wants a teacher, गुरुजी. बात यह है कि एक शिक्षक रहेगा तो तुम्हारा पास. If a teacher will stay with you, if a teacher will teach you perfectly, then a student definitely get his success. Student, how much knowledge he have, that does not matter. Sometimes students are too much mature more than teacher, but sometimes people think our student is very intelligent, he can do his himself, but problem is knowledge is a or knowledge is a dangerous. If you have knowledge, if you are using a proper way, then that knowledge will give you a good result, good success. But the same knowledge, if you are using a unknown way, that knowledge give you too much pain. प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी नहीं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम कुछ ऐसा है कि जब कोई भी सोचता है कि मैं एक वे में जाना चाहता हूँ, he have knowledge, he can do, but some difficulty is barrier front of his way. If he crack that barrier, then definitely he can get success. आजकल का ज़माना में एक ही प्रॉब्लम है स्टूडेंट का, वो है सोशल मीडिया. नॉट ओनली सोशल मीडिया बट ऑल्सो ए मोरल इम्पोर्टेंट गार्डियन बोलते कोई अभी नहीं है. सोशल मीडिया तो जा हो रहा है. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग यू. सब मेरा भाई है, सब मेरा बहन है. इसमें मैं जो भी बोलता हूँ ये सबको मिला के बोलता हूँ. इसमें मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलता हूँ कि ये करना चाहिए कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू माई ओपिनियन, दैट्स इट. बहुत सारे बंदा ऐसे हैं उनके पास नॉलेज है लेकिन उसके पास पैसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे बंदा ऐसे हैं उनके पास पैसा है, उसके पास नॉलेज नहीं है. दैट सेम थिंग, स्टूडेंट आर गोइंग वे getting success, but they are sometimes we are feeling he can do better. Just like in this day student are protest, student so student present his knowledge and he defeat a education minister. They did that, they have done that, they proved that we can do, because they are gathered, they looked that mistake and they are gathered and they are take a decision, and that decision but right, and they prove that we are right. The same thing now, politics is in one sided. Student wants policy, student wants politics, but father mother, they don't giving chance to my children, my son, my daughter will go to politics. They are not giving chance because they're scary about that. If I will show my student will struggle that politics, then I will feel bad, like that, not good. Students, they have way, but they are failing. It's not a difficult thing. Whatever in our day we are doing duty, it's not a big task. But if we are adding something new thing, just like we have bad thing, we have bad habit, but if you are adding something, how much bad thing you have, that does not matter. If you are adding one a good thing in your daily duty, daily routine, then automatically one day will come, then that day you will feel, yes, I can do everything, because that is a 50% average we are making now. We have good idea, we have bad idea, but if you are increase our good idea, then that bad idea will be going decrease. So that we should be increase our good idea. It does not matter how much difficulty, but we have to crack that thing. That's important. Sometimes we are feeling loose, but we should not be feeling loose. We have to get that success. Every day we will read, every day. If you are feeling loose, the next day we will try, we will take some moment, then again we will be gather out, again we will be do hard work and defeat that problem, and we will become a captain of the problem. That's it. Today I discussed you have to important. Today is the moral of the that this thing, we have to gather our, we have to become strong, and whatever loose point we have to defeat that. Because this game is total of, this world is total, is win and lose. Just like whatever I told you right now, if you are 50% now intelligent, then you can do 100%. How to do that? Because how to do that? If you are defeat your 50% problem, every day you get up and you dress up and you go to the field, and you can prove that, yes, I am a fighter, I can fight and I can do something better. You are not a student, bro. You can do everything. Maybe you are poor, maybe you are loser, maybe you are feeling guilty, maybe you are whatever you have problem, you close that book and you let's start. You don't punish You don't give punish yourself. Close that chapter. You have problem. That's it. You know, no. That is important. You know your problem. That's it. Close that chapter and you open a new chapter. That is thing. Go politics. Go whatever your mind. You choose that way and you go. Never lose. Just like me, whatever I want to do in my life, I have not done that thing. So that today I am feeling guilty because of some people who has told me you can't do that, you can't do that, you could not be have done that thing. Everything I listen that thing carefully, so that today I am unsuccessful. So that not unsuccessful, I will prove that one day will come, I will prove that I am not a unsuccessful person. But so today you can do better, you have done better. So that whatever your mind is wants to do, you do that thing. But one thing, before you want to do that thing, you have to judge something. Is it right or wrong? If it is wrong, then close that chapter and you take a new decision. Thank you. I'll meet you tomorrow.